Hello everyone again. Today we are going to make Pan De Coco. Pan De Coco originated in Honduras in Central America and subsequently was introduced into the Philippines by the Spanish in 1600s. So here comes the ingredients and method. Just follow along. Let's go, shall we? Mix 1 sachet of yeast with 1 cup warm milk and set aside for 10 minutes to activate. Mix 1 egg, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup powdered milk, then add your yeast mixture. Add 1 cup of oil and continue mixing. Add 3 1/4 cups of plain flour and 1/2 teaspoon salt and continue mixing. Transfer onto a flat surface and knead by hand. Grease your bowl and place the dough in it. Brush your dough with butter. Now cover with cling film and leave to rise for 1 hour or until double the size. Melt 100 grams of butter in a pan. Add 300 grams of grated coconut and continue mixing. Add 3/4 of a cup of dark sugar. Add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Punch your dough to release excess air. Knead your dough. Then cut into halves. Roll into a sausage shape as shown. Cut into 50-gram sections and shape into a ball. Roll each into a flat circle as shown.
I want to be with you forever. Please?
Now add 2 tablespoons of the coconut filling and seal.
Would you come with me and run away? Please?
Once filled, flatten a little with rolling pin and prick with fork. Cover with cling film and leave to rise for 30 minutes. While waiting for your buns to rise, beat 1 egg. Remove cling film and brush your buns with the beaten egg. Bake at 180 C for 15 minutes.
I want to be with you forever.
Leave to cool. subscribe, like, and share. It's free. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.